golden, shine like yesterday's. Our yesterdays roll away. Far from the schoolhouse walls, greeting the sunrise. Greeting the sunrise as grown-ups are now. We were waiting for the different change, but we were loving through the hinge of the way. And we were bold, our isle of woe, to find our love at the edge of the world, as are the songs. So, so are we too. As are the songs are spooly too. So our weakness will be remembered on. Erasing the cage of our notebook squares. All of the questions will lose